Well, hey there, it's Linda from All-in-One Middle School. I wanted to give you a brief overview of what you'll get in this unit and how to do it. So I hope you have your audio turned on. Let's get into what you'll receive. First, you're going to see that you will get lesson plans for each and every day of this month-long unit. They are editable so that you can change things up and copy and paste them. I'm just kind of scrolling through here. So this one is on writing your thesis, for example. So I give you all your standards, your objective materials. Anytime I can link materials, I do to make it nice and convenient. You'll get an anticipatory set to get them ready to learn, the steps, the closure, the assessment, and any homework. And like I said, you can edit these. This is going to match up with what your students will get, which is this slideshow to put on their digital learning platform. I would make a copy of this first so that it's coming from you, and this way you can make any adjustments on it that you need to before you assign it. So here you'll see that the students have everything linked and ready to go. So when they're doing, for example, a mini lesson on writing their thesis, they're going to click this on, and it's going to ask them if they want to make a copy. You should do this first for yourself. Make a copy, and this will put your very own copy in your very own drive. I recommend that you do this and then create your own links and put them back in the slideshow, but you can do it whichever way works for you. Okay, it's a pretty comprehensive mini lesson. You would bring the kids up, you would talk through it, go through the lesson with them. This slide is editable. This is where they go off to work. So if you want to make any changes or add anything, I also give you a formatted blank slide in case you want to add anything as well. Coming back to the slideshow, each of the lessons has an assignment. It's not busy work. It's all designed to help them write their essay. So this would be the assignment that goes with it. Again, they would make a copy. You definitely don't want to make any changes on this one because it's going to be all set and ready for them to type on. And what they're going to do is they're going to follow along. They're going to read the examples, and then they're going to put in their own, for this assignment text evidence, and they can type right in here. So Joe March is stubborn. I'm just making something up off the top of my head. Okay, but I wanted to show you that they can type right in here, they can print it, or they can just turn it into you or share it with you electronically. Coming back to the slideshow, you'll have everything here. You can put in the dates that you teach it and the due dates. If that feels overwhelming, you can edit this and just delete the whole column. And down here, I have some directions for you. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please email me at linda@allinonemiddleschool.com. Thank you.